Yeah, if someone is angry, if you see a couple of people arguing or getting in a heated discussion in a restaurant, you know, just direct the coil towards them and hold it quietly and they'll very quickly calm down. Unruly children, very good for unruly kids, because they're so subject to, you know, disturbances in their auras, and what we consider bad behavior is probably just reactions to negative energies or positive ions in their field. Positive ions make kids really, really upset. Cats and dogs like to be petted with the coils, and very often they'll choose to sleep in the rings. Dogs especially like the rings.
But,
Yeah, animals don't lie.
No.
That's a nice thing about it, 'cause, we've had a number of stories about animal healings, and of course some of my favorite ones are the broken bone stories with the horse and other animals. Some folks will just put a ring around their dog's neck for a collar and they just keep on wearing it. And old dogs will regain a good deal of their youth and vigor.
because we were one.
Other animal stories, we've had several instances where the cat would bring in a bird or a mouse and the party didn't want the cat to have the animal, so they'd catch the bird, put it in a brown paper bag, and then set that in a ring. And in a few minutes, they open the bag, the bird flies out. Apparently dead when it went into the bag, and quite lively when it comes out. And we have some personal experience with that. My wife and I kept a blue jay over winter. A young bird had hopped down on my hand and decided he wanted to be part of the family. So we built him a little cage under the stairs and kept him through the winter. Kind of an odd bird. He really liked Campbell's pork and beans. So I gave him a spoonful in his cage there, and he's happily eating away. And a few minutes later, we noticed he was down on his back in the water bowl doing this. He had a bit too much. So I just put a ring right around him, and in a couple of minutes, well, he was up on his feet again just fine.